all of you, and happy birthday to all of you who were born in July. As many of you know, I just celebrated a birthday which was on July 2nd. I had a really good birthday. I am grateful to God for another year, and a big thank you to all of you who wished me a happy birthday. I appreciate you all and I feel the love. Today I am going to take you in my dining room to show you a simple but chic, elegant dining room decor. It looks like designer. If you are in between season and you're not sure what to do with your dining room, this decor is gonna be a good one for you. If you are one of these people who don't like to decorate for season, it is gonna be a good one as well. So I am super excited. I cannot wait to show it to you. Quickly want to show you my bracelet and my super cute necklace. I love it. It is really beautiful. It's very dainty. It's very, what the social media would say, it's very demure. This necklace came in 2 pieces. This is the second one, so it's a layered necklace. It's not breakable easily. Every time you get them, they're so thin. I really like the one piece with the outfit that I am wearing, but let me put the second piece so you guys can see. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, super duper cute. I love it. It makes me look so fancy. The gold is very bright. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see. This is the bracelet, you guys. I really like it. It's beautiful, very high-end and sophisticated. This is what they call a wash band bracelet. These are very in style right now. You don't have to worry about it being too small or too big for you, because number one, they send it with an extra piece. And let me show you. It came with a little kit with the little manual and everything that you need to make it longer or to make it smaller, which I thought was really good. I've never received jewelry that comes with all of these things. This size is perfect for me, so I don't have to do anything with it. It fits me really nicely. I have small waist. I wanted a piece that was affordable, that was beautiful, that I didn't have to take off every day. So this is what this is doing for me. Both the necklace and the bracelet are plated with 14 karat gold. You can shower with it, you can leave it on, you don't have to take it off. And also came with 2-year warranty. Thank you to Analisa for sending me the necklace and the bracelet. I love them. They match my style. As I mentioned, I love the fact that I don't have to take them off if I don't want to. The link for them will be in the description box. Check them out. These are great gifts for you or for your loved ones. Definitely check them out. Now let's go to the dining room. I'm gonna start by giving the dining room a light cleaning. Nothing major, just to remove some dust. Is this your first time here? Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning and DIY. If you are interested in these videos, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so YouTube can let you know once I upload a new video. To you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I am having a light blue theme in this room, nothing crazy. Blue is another favorite color that I like in home decor. That's why from time to time you see me pattern out a little bit of glow. On top of the wall art, I am going to have one of these lights that I got from Amazon. It is a rechargeable light. I really like the lighting effect that is having on the wall art. This is what the light looks like, and this is how I've been having the lights each time I have lights on my tree. But I am not feeling it that much anymore, so I'm gonna hide the light behind the part instead. I think it looks more classic and more sophisticated this way. This washing must that I am using is from Amazon. I really like it. It's beautiful. I'm using 2 packs. This is a super tall tree. It is 9 feet and 52 in diameter. Of course, I got it from Amazon. I thought it was a very good idea to have 2 trees in the dining room. So remember this tree I have in my entryway? I'm gonna bring it in. By the way, my beautiful parts are from the at-home store. And just in case if you are new here, this is how I normally fill up my parts to make sure that I save some money. So basically, I use everything, cardboards, papers, anything that I can get my hands on to fill up the parts. Once I'm done adding all the cardboards or packaging papers, I would add a gift paper to make it look a little nicer and smooth it out. Normally I get those papers from shoes, once again packaging, or gift papers from the dollar store. If you want to add the light directly on the part, now it would be a good time to add it, and after that I would add the moss. Although this light didn't look too bad because the part is a little bit taller, but I've decided to place it behind the parts regardless. It looks more sophisticated, and I like the fact that people cannot see right away where the source of light is coming from. Both trees are identical. Love, love, love the look. I think the trees take the dining room to the next level. I'm going to have a set of candle holders because the table is super long. One wouldn't be enough. They are super beautiful. I love them. I love the style. I love the sophistication of them. I do believe I can do a lot with them. I got these LED candles from Amazon. They are a little bit smaller than I would like them to be. However, they are really good. They came with a remote control and you can put them on a timer. If you forgot to put them on a timer, they go on a timer automatically. During the day they turn off and at night they turn on automatically. That's all I am going to have on the table. I'm not going to have anything else because the trees are the stars in the room. I don't want anything else to fight with them for attention. The candle holders are from Wayfair. They are discontinued. I got the last set. On the Credenza, I am starting with my gold tray. My Tom Ford bookcase gonna go on the tray, and then I am going to have my beautiful ginger jar. This beautiful ginger jar, love it, so pretty, so sophisticated. It's from my website www.glamstylehomedecor.com. I kept my lamps. These are my staple lamps. I also want to show you the sconces that I have on the wall. They are from Amazon. They are rechargeable. They are not electrically wired. They are my favorite rechargeable wall sconces light because they are the brightest. I have two, one on each side. To complete the look in the dining room, I'm adding a throw. This throw is also from my website. And I also moved the two small wall arts that I started with on this side instead. We are done. Now let's look at what everything looks like together. my Glam Squad, I am looking forward to reading your comments. Please go in the comment section, let me know what you think about my dining room. Simple but cute. Okay, I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Before you leave, you have to subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I love you always. Bye bye.